Welcome back to another reaction video. This is another compilation of Megawati's highlights, Red Sparks versus GS Caltex. Let's get right into it. Subscribe for more of the V-League. And yeah, definitely Red Sparks and Mega. She's very much impressed me. Very, very good player she is. Let's go.
Download and watch it live on Sport TV Now app.
Let's go. Great start. That was more a simple one there, I think, but executed very well. Yeah. Let's see. Here it comes, a spike. Watch out for those. Yeah. Once more. Too strong. Too strong. They're liking that one. They love that shot. Yeah. It's amazing the power she gets. Incredible. Again. Ooh, there's been a couple of those so far. A bit like softer one. Look at her face. She was surprised. She was surprised herself. But yeah, I like those too. Because that's not just putting in all the power. It's smart. It's smart and executed really well. I like those, yeah, those type of shots as well. Yeah. Okay. I love the blocks too. Everything. Oh, again. It's strange. I hadn't... Yeah. I mostly... Ooh. Yeah, I've mostly seen her with those big spikes. But that shot there, she's done 3 times so far. So far in this highlights. I'm not sure if that was a tactic specifically for against this team, but... Okay, that's interesting. It just shows, yeah, the smarts. With that serve as well. She can do anything. The Megatron. Yes. They're loving that. Power. She's like, how can I stop that? No one can. Look. That just looks like perfect technique for me. Yep. And she gets it set back up for her. Yeah. They're playing with this good spirit today. Obviously, they always do, but yeah. They're having fun. They're really having fun out there. Yeah. She's not happy. Oh. Yeah. Mega is putting on a show today. That's for sure. Well, when this was played. Again. It's this match has been a bit different. Or at least what I've seen. Yeah. She's displayed a very different skills. A variation of what she can do. Which, yeah, I like to see that. And it's not just those big, powerful spikes. But still, that's impressive. But she shows what she can really do. The full package. Oh. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say. Wow. Look at that. Okay. Nah, has to go to Mega. You know the drill. See, these other ones get returned. She is the star. She is the star. This is
Hai, saya Megawati Hangestri Pertiwi.
Wow.
Jangan lupa subscribe akun YouTube Sport TV Indonesia untuk melihat aksi-aksi aku di Liga Bola Voli Korea.
She's incredible. This has probably been the most impressive one for me so far. I've reacted to a few, but she just showed I feel like she showed all her skills in this match and just in the highlights. This is just 5 minutes of it. But yeah, she's more just that powerful spike. It's got array, just a variation of talent in the volleyball. Incredible. Yeah, absolutely love what I've seen so far of her in the V-League for the Red Sparks. Give me more other videos to react to from Mega because she is incredible. And this video today, she impressed me even more than she did before. So subscribe for some more and I'll see you in the next one.